Welcome everyone. Today we are discussing unwrapping in 3dsMax. So what is the use of unwrapping? So I'm making a ground texture for a landscape with green and mud everything. So how we make that? So go to modifier list and apply unwrapping for your model. So that's the basic thing. And select the model by clicking select by element XY toggle. So it's selected, and after that go to UV editor. So we'll get a different window with that model. So the thing is, we should be that inside the grid. The model should be inside that small grid. For that, what we'll do, just select our model. So means the polygon. Yeah, select all and apply flatten by polygon angle, so it comes exactly inside the grid. The model should be inside the grid, that is important. So then only we can export that map. And just rotate that model, go to U and rotate that model by 90 degree. So go to U and rotate by minus 90 degree. So it's already came inside that, and you need to adjust if it's in case it's coming out of the grid, and we need to adjust and keep properly. So go to tools and give render UVW template, then you will get a window, and click the invisible lens and just give render, and it comes a map like this, exactly like this. So that map we can save separately wherever you want. Like just save a JPEG image, JPG image. So we got the we are exporting that image like any map. So later we can apply the materials or texture whatever one after going Photoshop. So once comes to Photoshop, so just open that map what we exported into Photoshop. So just open that, so it comes like this. So whatever model we make, all the sides it comes, we just flatten it. Actually, if it is a sphere or box, whatever it will we make it as a flattened image. So we are applying green to that. So whatever that black going, that is a road actually. So this is a big area with green and mud everything. So I imported that image. What I did, just unselected the unwanted part and just removed that. We need only this area. So now we can do the mapping according to how we want everything. So just use a brush tool and keep brushing and smudging. So what I did, rest of the area, the black area, I given just a light color, just a mud color, and just brushing that. Just blending with the rest of the area to get a good texture. The sharp things you should not be there. So we are just blending with the brush tool and layer masking. You can use layer masking also. So that is according to your workflow and how you do. So this I'm doing, just showing how I work. You can use the same way also. Mostly layer mask is good. Whenever you want to remove, add, you can do. So make sure the scale out is big. It's a very big area, so we need the scale should be lesser. So just adjust accordingly. Yeah, and the map is already getting ready. Keep adjusting and don't make it is like a repetition. Yeah, that edge is coming, so that things you need to be careful with that, and just blend with the ground accordingly. That thing is very important. So don't make sharp edges, just smoothen it all the edges and make sure it's blended. So once you make everything clear, everything blended, not repetition, no pattern coming, it should be random proper image, and make save that image separately, give a name for that and save it. The map is ready now, so it's our here. Just apply a material, normal V-Ray material, and give me bitmap for that. So give the map where you saved. Yes, apply. Yeah, see, you can see. So wherever we given, it came exactly like that. So there is one edge is coming with the sharp, which I showed. So just blend that area with the tool, brush tool. Just give a blending. Just yeah. So it's blended now. There is no sharp edges. Wherever the sharp edges coming, just keep brushing and blending. Just make sure it's supposed to look like a one image, one grass, continuous grass without a breaking or sharp edges. Should be a normal natural grass. It look like that. So after doing all that, just save if you okay with the map, and if it is final, just save it. Save and replace map and go to 3dsMax. Yep, the sharpness gone, everything smooth. You done.